Hi everyone, today's video is not going to be work related per se. I just want to share with you something fun and interactive that you could do just to pass a few moments of time while we are in this quarantine. The idea behind this video actually came from some of my students who ever so often like to share some interactive brain teasers with me to see if they can challenge me. Now, usually I overlook them because they are the simple ones that you may find on Facebook, but this one in particular that they showed me today, I really thought was interesting and I would like other people to try it and see if they can get the same answer. The question is as follows. Can you open the lock using the clues given below? The numbers 682, one of the digits is correct and in its place. The combination 614, one digit is correct, but it is in its wrong place. The combination 206, two digits are correct, but both are in the wrong place. The combination 738, all the digits are wrong. And the last combination 380, one digit is correct, but in the wrong place. Now we're going to use these 5 clues to actually get the correct combination to unlock this lock. At this time, you can pause the video and you can try it on your own. Now before I explain how to solve it, I just want to make a special shout out to Shauna Adams, the first student who was able to solve it correctly. She started from the bottom and worked her way up. At statement number 4 it says 7, 3 and 8 are all wrong, so we can eliminate these 3 numbers from all possible combinations in the other statements. Now based on the last clue, we can clearly see that 0 has to be one of our correct digits. But since it's in its wrong position, that means the 0 could either be in the first or second position of the combination. But if you quickly check clue number 3, you would realize that it says both the correct answers are in the wrong position. So therefore, the 0 can't be at the end, nor can it be in the middle. Therefore, the 0 must be the first digit of our combination. Now at this point, I wasn't sure if the 6 was one of the correct answers or not, but I looked at statement 1 and 2, and in those clues they say that one digit is correct and in its place, but the other one says one digit is correct but in its wrong place. So I thought to myself, well, it can't be 6 because those two statements are contradicting each other. So now that we've removed the 6, I can clearly see that the 2 is also one of the correct answers, but at this time I don't know if it is going to be at the end or in the middle. But if you look at the first clue, it says one digit is correct and in its place. So that should mean that the 2 is at the end. So according to my student Shauna, our choices now come down to the 1 or the 4. We know from clue number 2, it says one digit is correct, but in its wrong place. So our answer can't be the 1, because since the middle position is the only position available, and the statement says the answer is correct but in the wrong place, it can't be the 1. It could only be the 4 being in the wrong place. So the 4 must be our middle and final digit for our combination. Now if you were able to solve it on your own, I commend you, and I encourage students to try more questions like this. Math is not all about getting the answer right. It is not all about calculations with X and Y. Sometimes it is as simple as using your brain to solve a problem. So I encourage more questions like this. Keep them coming while we're in quarantine, and I hope this video was of some use to someone out there. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe if you want to receive more educational content. And don't forget to share it to your friends so that they can have some fun too. Please stay safe during this quarantine, and until we meet again, thank you for watching.